Hi friends, my name is Milan. In this video, we start with question number 2 of exercise 1.4. Okay, so first of all, read this question. Verify that a divide b plus c is not equal to a divide b plus a divide c for each of the following values of a, b and c. Here we need to verify this, okay, because this is the distributive property, and distributive property we cannot use for the division, it is only for the multiplication. Okay, so here we need to prove this division is not applied for the distributive property. So first question is, here some values are given to you. Value of a is equals to 12, value of b is equals to -4, and value of c is equals to 2. So here we just put this value in left hand side and in right hand side, and we show that these two values are not equal. Okay, here not equality sign, that means these two things are not equal. Okay, and this is inequality. This is called left hand side and this is called right hand side. We just show it left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So first of all, left hand side, a divide b plus c. This is the left hand side. Now put the value of a, b and c. So a is 12 divided by b -4 plus c 2. First of all, as per the rule of board mass, we need to solve this bracket. So 12 divided by, now -4 plus 2, plus minus 4 minus 2, 2, big number 4 have negative sign, so here negative sign. Okay, after that 12 divided minus 2, so 12 divided by 2, it is 6, and plus minus, so answer of our left hand side is -6. Okay, a divided b plus c, put the value of a, b and c. First of all, we need to solve this bracket. So -4 plus 2, it is -2. We need to put the big number sign here. So -2, 12 divided -2, 12 by 2, it's a 6, and plus minus. So our answer of left hand side is equals to -6. Okay, now we need to solve the right hand side. Right hand side, RHS is equals to a divided b plus a divided c. Now put the value of a, b and c. So a is a is 12 divided by b. B is -4. Minus we need to write in bracket. Okay, so -4 plus a divided c. A 12 divided c, it's a 2. Now first of all, we need to solve this two bracket. So first of all, here 12 divided by 4, it's a 3, because 4 3 is a 12, and here plus minus, so minus sign. After that we have plus sign, and here 12 divided 2, it's a 6, right? 12 divided 2, that means 2 6 are, so here our answer is 6. Now finally, -3 plus 6, -3 plus 6, so plus minus, that means we need to subtract the two numbers. 6 minus 3, it's a 3, and big number 6 have positive sign, so here our answer is +3. Okay, so initially we get the answer of left hand side is equals to -6. Okay, and we get the answer of right hand side, it is 3. So we can write like this: LHS is not equals to RHS, right? Since LHS is not equals to RHS, hence verified. Okay, hence verified means here we need to prove this left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Okay, after that, second question, here a is equals to -10, b is equals to 1, and c is equals to 1. First of all, left hand side, LHS is equals to a divided b plus c. Now put the value of a, b and c here. So first of all, a, it is -10 divided by b 1 plus c, it is also 1. Here we have minus 10 divide. Now here 1 plus 1. First of all, we need to solve this bracket. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now finally 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, it's a 5. Right? 10 divided by 2, it's a 5. And here we have negative sign. Here positive sign. So plus minus minus. So the answer of left hand side is equals to minus 5. Okay. Put the value of A, B, C. Here A minus 10, B and C 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now minus 10 divided by 2 minus 5. Now it's the time for right hand side. So RHS is equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Again put the value of A, B and C. So A is minus 10 divided by B, it's a 1 plus again A, it's a minus 10 divided by C, it's a 1. So here minus 10 divided by 1. Right, first of all we need to solve this two brackets. So minus 10 divided by 1. So 10 divided by 1, it's a 10 only, and plus minus minus. After that we have here positive sign. Again same bracket is there. So minus 10 divided by 1, it is minus 10. Okay, 10 divided by 1, 10 plus minus minus. So finally minus 10 plus minus 10. So minus 10 here plus minus minus. So again minus 10. So minus 10 minus 10 minus minus plus 10 plus 10 20. Big number 10 have negative sign. So minus 20. So here our left hand side is equals to minus 5 and right hand side is equals to minus 20. These two answers are not same, so we can write like this, since LHS is not equals to RHS. Okay, LHS is not equals to RHS, hence verified. Okay, so here we need to find the answer of left hand side and answer of right hand side, and we just show it. We just need to show that these two answers are not equal. So after that we can write like this, LHS is not equal to RHS. In this way we can verify this sum. Okay, then after that question number 3, fill in the blanks. Here 369 divided by, and answer is 369. If we want the same answer, so here we need to put 1, because 369 divided by 1, it's a 369. Okay, here 369 is there. If we want the same answer, so we need to divide with 1. Okay, multiplicative identity. Here we have minus 75. Here we want 1. So if we want answer 1, then we need to divide a number with the same number. Okay, if we want answer 1, then we need to divide a number with the same number, that means 75. Okay, because 75 divided by 75, 1, and here we want negative sign, right? Here we have negative sign, so here we need to put positive sign, so it becomes plus minus minus. Okay, minus 75 is there, we need to write the same number 75 so that we get the answer 1. Here we want minus 1, so for minus, here already negative sign is there, so here we need to give positive sign, so plus minus minus 1. Okay, after that here minus 206. Again here we want 1, so we need to divide a number with this same number, that means 206. And here we want answer as a positive 1. Here we have negative 1, negative sign, so here even we need to put the negative sign, so that 206 divided by 206, 1, and minus minus becomes plus 1. Okay, minus 206. So here even we need to write 206 so that we get the answer 1. But here we want positive 1. Here we have negative sign. So here even we need to put the negative sign so that we get the plus answer. Okay, minus minus plus. Here we have 87 and we want the same answer. If we want the same answer, then we need to put 1. Here two things are there. If we want the same answer, then we need to divide with 1, and if we want the answer 1, So we need to divide with same number, alternate. Okay, if we want answer 1, then we need to divide a number with the same number. If we want same answer, then we need to divide with 1. So here we want same answer, so here we need to divide with 1, and our answer is positive. Here we have negative sign, so here we need to put negative sign. So minus minus becomes plus. Okay, so 87 divided by 1, so 87, and minus minus plus. Then next, here blank divided by 1 is equals to 87. Here it is divided by 1. Okay, so question and answer both are same. That means here we need to put 87. Right? If we divide with 1, then definitely our question and answer both are same. So here it is 87 only. Second thing, here we have negative sign. Here we have positive sign. So plus minus, here it becomes minus. So minus plus minus, and 87 divided by 1, 87. So here our question is minus 87. Okay. And next, here divided by 48 is equals to minus 1. So here our answer is 1, right? Here our answer is 1. It means here we have the same number 48, right? And our answer is negative. Here positive number, so here we need to put negative sign. So plus minus, it becomes minus, and 48 divided by 48, it's a 1. Okay. So here minus 48, so minus 48 divided by 48, 1, and minus plus minus. Here 20 divided by 2. Here we want answer 2. So here we need to put 10, because 20 divided by 10 is equals to 2, right? 10 to the. So here 20 divided by 10, 2, and here we want negative answer. Here we have positive number. So here we need to put negative number. So minus plus minus becomes minus. Okay, so our answer is minus 10. 20 divided by 10, 2, and plus minus minus 2. So our answer is minus 10. Here 4 is there. Here we want minus 3. So here we need to put 12, because 4 3s are 12. Right? Here we need to put 12. So 12 divided by 4, it's a 3. And if we want negative answer, here positive sign is there. So here we need to put negative sign. Okay, so minus 12 divided by 4, minus 3. So 12 divided by 4, 3, minus plus minus. Okay, so minus 12 divided by 4 is equals to minus 3. Okay. Then next is question number 4. First of all, read the question. Write 5 pairs of integers AB such that A divided by B is equals to minus 3. One such pair is 6 minus 2, because 6 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 3. Okay, so we want 5 pairs here. So division of A divided by B is equals to minus 3. Okay, we want 5 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here in between division sign is there. Okay. And we want answer minus 3. So first of all, you can write any number here. Okay, but just try to write the small number here. Okay, you can write any number here, but just try to write the small number. So here 2 is already there, right, in question. So we just go with the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you can write 1 even. Okay, now we want answer as a 3. So we need to multiply all this number by 3. Okay, in this row, whatever number we written here, just multiply by 3 and write down here. So our first number is 3. So 3 3s are 9. Here 4, 4 3s are 12. Here 5, 5 3s are 15. Here 6, 6 3s are 18. Here 7. 7 3 is 21. Okay. Now one more thing. Here we want answer minus 3. So negative sign is there. So here in question, give negative sign to any one number. Okay. In each question, give negative sign to any one number. Okay. Either you can give the negative sign in first position, either you can give the negative sign in second position. But only one position we need to go give the negative sign. So okay. So here even we can write negative sign. Otherwise here even we can write the negative sign. It is your choice. Okay, whenever you want to give the negative sign you can give, but in only one number. Okay, so here if you think about the first question, so 9 divided by 3 3 plus minus minus. If you think about the second question, 12 divided by 4 3 plus minus minus. Third question, 15 divided by 5, answer is 3 plus minus minus. 18 divided by 6, answer is 3 plus minus minus, and 21 divided by 7, answer is 3 plus minus minus. Okay, again I repeat this question. Total 5 pairs we want, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, here division sign is there, and we want answer minus 3. 2 is already given in the question. Here first of all you can write any number, but just try to write the small number. Okay, so we return 3 4 5 6 7 and multiply this all this number by 3 and write down here. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21. Then any one number we can give the negative sign because we want negative answer. Okay, so here you can give, otherwise here you can give. Okay, it's your choice. So in this way we can get the 5 pairs. Okay, after that, question number 5. First of all, read this question. The temperature at noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0 if it decreases at the rate of 2 degree per Celsius per hour until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? Again, the temperature at noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0, that means positive 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degree per Celsius per hour, that means in 1 hour minus 2 degree, that means decreases at the rate of 2 degree Celsius until midnight. Midnight, that means 9 p.m. Okay, midnight, that means 9 p.m. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? Okay, so first of all, initial temperature is plus 10, right? And we want temperature below 0, 8 degrees Celsius. That means minus 8 degrees Celsius. So first of all, we need to find the difference between these two temperature. Okay, first of all, we need to find the difference between these two temperature. So 10 and minus 8, this 8 is there, and if we want to find the difference, so that means we need to subtract this two number. Okay, so 10 minus minus 8, so here 10 minus minus plus 8. Okay, minus minus plus 8, 10 plus 8 18. So here difference is 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, difference is 18 degrees Celsius. That means from 10, if we want temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius, so we need to decrease temperature by 18 degrees Celsius, because difference between these two number is 18 degrees Celsius. So we need to decrease the temperature. So total 18 degrees Celsius we need to decrease the temperature. Okay, now total 18-degree temperatures we need to decrease. For that, one rate is given to you. 2 degrees Celsius per hour, and we want 18 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, that means we want 18 degrees Celsius temperature to decrease. So here for 2 degrees Celsius 1 hour is there. For 2 degrees Celsius temperature 1 hour. So for 18 degrees Celsius, how many? Okay, in 1 hour 2 degrees Celsius decrease, and we want 18 degrees Celsius decrease, right? So for 2 degrees Celsius, if we want to decrease the temperature by 2 degrees Celsius, it take 1 hour. So if we want to decrease the temperature by 18 degrees Celsius, then how many hours? Okay, we need to form this table. For 2 degrees Celsius 1 hour. So for 18 degrees Celsius, how many hours? Now how can we solve this table? So first of all, we need to multiply this two number. Okay, so 18 multiply 1 hour. So 18 multiply 1 divided by just first number 2. Okay, 18 ones are 18 divided by 2. So 9. Okay, 2 nines are 18. So 9. That means total 9 hours are required to decrease the temperature by 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, total 9 hours are required for decreasing the temperature by 18 degrees Celsius. So here we need to tell the time, right? So what would be the temperature? So what time would the temperature be 18 degrees Celsius below? Now initial time is noon. Noon, that means 12 noon. Okay, now 12 noon plus 9 hours required to reach the temperature at minus 8 degrees Celsius. So plus 9. So 12 plus 9, it's a 21 hours, and 21 hours it means 9 p.m., right? 20 hours, 21 hours it means 9 p.m. So our answer is 9 p.m. Okay, so what time? So that time is equal to 9 p.m. Okay, and second question, what would be the temperature at midnight? So this is the temperature at 9 p.m. That means midnight. So thus at 9 p.m. the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, at 9 p.m. what is the temperature? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, again initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and we want temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius. First of all we need to find the difference. Okay, so 10 minus minus 8. For difference we need to subtract this two number. So 10 minus minus plus 8, so 18 degree. That means we need to decrease the temperature by 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, if you want to decrease the temperature by 2 degrees Celsius, it takes 1 hour. So if we want to decrease the temperature by 18 degrees Celsius, so how many hours? So here 18 multiply 1 divided by this first number 2. 18 ones are 18 by 2, it's a 9. So 9 hours are required. So for finding out the timing, 12 noon plus 9 hours, 21 hours, and 21 hours it means 9 p.m. And second equation, what would be the temperature at midnight? So at 9 p.m. we have the temperature minus 80 degrees Celsius. Okay. After that, question number 6. First of all, read this question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer, and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any question. Now, first question is Radhika scored 20 marks. If she got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, so how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Here plus 3 marks are for the correct answers and minus 2 marks are for the incorrect answer. Okay. For the Radhika, total score is equals to total score 20, right? So 20 is equals to now 3 marks for the correct answer. And how many correct answers are there? 12, right? So 12 threes are, right? 12 threes are plus minus 2 marks. Now that we don't know how many questions she attempt incorrectly, so we can write the X here, right? Number of incorrect answer. So it is multiply with -2, right? Because -2 marks are for the incorrect answer. Okay, so total score 20 is equals to 12 multiply 3 because 12 correct answers are there. Okay, so number of correct answers multiply marks for each question. So 12 multiply 3. Similar way plus number of incorrect answers that we don't know, so we just assume it X and multiply by, for incorrect answer we have -2 marks, so we need to multiply -2. That means, for example, if we write the 5 questions and 5 correct, if we write the 5 correct answers and each question is of 3 marks, so total how many marks we get? Okay, we just attempt the 5 correct answers, multiply. Now each question have 3 marks, so 5 3s are 15 marks we got. That means we need to multiply these two things, right? Number of correct answer multiply marks. So same thing we do here. Number of correct answers is 12, right? Multiply marks. And same thing for incorrect answer. Number of incorrect answers X, multiply its marks -2. Okay, now from here we need to find the X. Okay, that means number of incorrect answers. So here 20. Now 12 multiply 3. 12 3s are 36, and here plus minus minus, and 2 multiply x, it's a 2x. Okay, we don't know the value of x, so we cannot multiply it, so we just need to write 2x. Now we need to find the value of x. For that we need to transfer this -2x to the right hand side and 20 to the, sorry, for that we need to transfer this -2x to the left hand side and 20 to the right hand side, because here negative sign is there, that's why. So if we want, so if we transfer this -2x to the left hand side, it becomes +2x. Okay, if we change the sides, then we need to change the sign, so this negative sign becomes positive sign. Now first of all, in right hand side 36 as it is. Now we just need to transfer this 20 to the right hand side, so this +20 becomes -20 here. Now 2x is equals to 36 minus 20, it's a 16. 36 minus 20, 16. So here at last we have 2x is equals to 16. Now for finding out the value of x, we need to transfer this 2 to the right hand side. Right now 2x, that means 2 multiply x. Okay, if we transfer this multiply 2 to the right hand side, it goes to the division. Okay, it goes to the division. So finally 2 8s are 16, so our answer is 8. Okay, how many questions has she attempt incorrectly? So 8 questions she attempt incorrectly. Okay, again total score 12 is equals to 12 correct, total score 20 is equals to 12 correct answer multiply the marks plus 3. Okay, plus number of incorrect answer that we don't know x, and marks is -2. So 20 is equals to 12 3 is 36 plus minus -2x. But here we want plus x, that's why we need to transfer to the left hand side, so it becomes plus. Here we have 36 and all the other numerical term we need to transfer to the other side, that's why we need to transfer this 20 to the right hand side, it becomes -20. So 36 minus 20 16. Now for finding out the value of x, we need to transfer this 2 to the right hand side, it goes to the division, so 16 by 2 it's a 8. So 8 questions she had attempt incorrectly. Okay, then second question. Mohini scores -5 marks in this test. So she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions she attempt incorrectly? Similar type question is there. Total score -5 is equals to, now 7 correct answers. So 7 multiply, for correct answers 3 marks are there, so multiply 3 plus number of incorrect answers that we don't know x. and marks for incorrect answer, it is -2. Okay, total score -5 is equals to correct answer 7 multiply the marks 3, then number of incorrect answers x multiply marks -2. So -5 is equals to 7 3s are 21, again plus minus minus 2 multiply x 2x. Again here we have -2x, we want plus 2x. So for that we need to transfer this -2x to the left hand side, so it becomes plus 2x. Here 21 it is as it is, and we need to transfer this numerical term -5 to the right hand side, so it becomes plus 5. If we change the side, then we need to change the sign, so it becomes plus 5. So here 2x is equals to 21 plus 5, 26. So 2x is equals to 26. Now for finding out the value of x, we need to transfer this 2 to the right hand side. Okay, so 26 divided by this 2, so x is equals to 13. So here 13 questions Mohini attempt incorrectly. Again total score -5 is equals to 7 correct answers multiply the marks plus x number of incorrect answers into -2. So -5, 21, here plus minus -2x, we want plus 2x, that's why we need to transfer to the left hand side, so it becomes plus 2x, 21 as it is, we need to transfer this -5 to the right hand side, so it becomes plus 5. Now 2x is equals to 21 plus 5, 26, so 2x is equals to 26. Okay, now we need to transfer this x to the right hand side, so it goes to the division, so 26 by 2 it's a 13. Okay, in this way we can get the answer. After that, question number 7. This question, an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach -350 meter? Again read the equation. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach -350 meter? This is a similar type question as the question number 5. Initial position is 10 meter above the ground level, that means plus 10, and we need to reach at -350 meter. Okay, that means from 10 meter is initial position and we need to reach to the -350 meter. So first of all we need to find the difference between these two numbers. Okay, here 10 is there, here -350 is there, we need to find the difference, that's why we need to subtract these two numbers. So 10 minus minus plus 350, 350 plus 10, 360 meter. So difference is 360 meter. That means we need to descend the shaft by 360 meter. Okay, because difference between these two level is 360 meter, so we need to descend the shaft by 360 meter. Okay, now one rate is given to you. In 1 minute shaft descends 6 meter. Okay, that means if we want to descend the shaft by 6 meter, then it will take 1 minute. For 6 meter 1 minute is there, so for 360 meter how many minutes are there? Okay, for 6 meter 1 minute is there, so for 360 meter how many minutes are there? Okay, for 6 meter 1 minute, so for 360 meter how many minutes? So again same process, we need to multiply this two number, 360 multiply 1 divided by this first number 6. So here 360 ones are 360 divided by 6, it is 60, right? If you divide 360 by 6, you will get the answer 60. So 60 minute, that means 1 hour. Okay, so how long will it take? So it will take 1 hour. That means 60 minutes. Okay, Again, I repeat this question. Initial position is 10 meter above the ground level. Final position, that means we need to reach at minus 350 meter. Okay, so first of all, we need to find the difference between these two. That means how many meter we need to descend this shaft. Okay, so first of all, just find out the difference. So here 10 is there, minus 350 is there. We need to find the difference. So we need to subtract these two numbers. So 10 minus minus plus 350 plus 10, 360 meter. So we need to descend the shaft by 360 meter. Okay, we need to descend the shaft by 360 meter. Now for 6 meter, it will take 1 minute. We need to descend by 360 meters. So for 360 meter, how many minutes? So 360 multiply 1 divided by 6. So it is 60. Our answer is 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. Okay. Thus in 1 hour, the mine shaft reaches minus 350 meter below the ground. Okay. So students, here our chapter number 1 is over. If you have any doubt in this chapter, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay. Thank you.